No matter which company you are in, clients expect consistency from everybody they talk to in a company. Not just consistency, they also want predictability in what we say and what we deliver. So, we call it as bid versus did. We bid to do something, did we really do it? For example, as a client asks a question, and if somebody queries SiftHub, we get the same answer, and I will say the same thing my sales team will say, my product team will say, my marketing team will say, my CEO will say. With or without machine, over a period of time, people go from doing things to becoming experts in whatever they do, reviews. I think there will be a graduation, maturation process for people as the machine takes over a lot of things that they were doing on the low maturity level and elevate it and let them be more expert. Are people who are using AI able to close and convert faster? I would, rather than saying close, convert faster with data, I would say they're able to have a better conversation with the client in eliciting more about the client versus worried about preparing and digging deep into what we do, what our product does, because that's all now served in a platter. What keeps me up night is the pace of change just only exponentially is increasing. But what is exciting is also equally that, right? Because there is just so many things we can do, but there is only 24 hours in a day.